Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see how to find the numbers without actually counting the given items with few examples. Here, with these examples, we are moving to multiplication concept along with the tables. So, the first example is try jumps with 7 steps. So, in our previous videos, we have done with 3 steps and 4 steps. Here, now we are going to jump with 7 steps each time. So now we are starting from 0 and we are going to jump 7 steps each time. So from 0 I am going to jump to the 7 number first. From 7 I will go to 14. From 14 I will go to 21 and so on. So this, without counting the numbers and the skips, we can easily find out the numbers by multiplication of the numbers. So now the number of jump, that is what we are jumping, is 7 steps. So we are starting from 1. So first 7th jump we will be in number 7. The second 7th jump we will be in the number 14. So with this we can find it out by 2 into 7, that is 14. Then third jump, so we are going to jump 7 steps, right? So we are going to the third jump, you have to multiply it with 3. So 3 into 7 will be 21. So this we can also say it as repeated addition. If you add it repeatedly 3 times in the terms of 7s, then you will get 21. So it's a repeated addition. So in the fourth jump will be in number 28. And the fifth jump, 5 into 7 will be 35. And in sixth jump we will be in 42. In seventh jump again we have to count 7 from 42. So you will be landing in the number 49. In the same way for the 8th jump it's 56. 9th jump it will be 63. 10th jump from 63, if you jump 7 steps, then you will be landing in the number 70. From 70, if you go with 7 steps, then you will be in 77. From 77, the next point will be 84. And then the 13th jump will be in 91. And the 14th will be in 98. And the 15th will be in 105. So like this, you can count till the numbers what is given in your question. So now here it's given like this, right? You are starting from 0 and it's given till 150. But for multiplication part, it's given till only 15. So now we'll see this. So 1 into 7 will be 7. 2 into 7 will be 14. That is second jump will be in the number 14. And then 3 into 7 is 21. 4 into 7 is 28. 5 into 7 is 35. 6 into 7 is 42. Then 7 into 7 is 49. 8 into 7 is 56, 9 into 7 is 63, then 10 into 7 is 70, 11 into 7 is 77, 12 into 7 is 84, then 13 into 7 is 91, 14 into 7 is 98, and 15 into 7 is 105. The next example is stick play. Mithu had some sticks. She arranged them like this. This is the place she arranged. See, it's given here. You are able to see this, right? Okay. So now 1 times 5 is 5. Then 2 times 5. Then second step will she arranged here. So she will get 10. Then 3 times 5. Third line it's 15. 4 times 5 it will be 20. Then she counted how many times the sticks were crossing each other. So she found that 4 times 5, that is 4 into 5 equal to 20. See, she counted this crossed points. So first she kept 5 sticks, then she kept 4 sticks in the cross. So if you count all the crossing points, she will get it to be 20 points. So now without counting, just she had counted the number of sticks she kept. So first 4 sticks, then 5 sticks. So 4 into 5 is 20. The same way, let's try making a 2 times table with sticks. So for 2 times table, first we need 2 sticks. So if you keep the first stick, it will cross at 2 points, right? So 1 into 2 is 2. If you keep the second stick, so you have totally 2 sticks. So it will cross at 2 into 2, so that is 4 points. If you count here 1, 2, 3, 4, we will not do it by counting actually. For our understanding, I am doing it by counting 1, 2, 3, 4. So our answer is 4. That's correct. Now if you keep the third stick, then this 1, 2, then you have kept 3 sticks. So 3 into 2 will be 6. So it will be crossing at 6 points. Then if you keep the fourth sticks, 4 into 2 will be 8. Then fifth stick, it will be 5 into 2 will be 10. So each time you keep a stick, you have to add 2 to the previous number. Okay, so that multiplication we will call it as repeated addition. So if you go for the sixth stick, you can again have to add 2 with this 10. So 6 into 2 will be 12. Same way for seventh stick, 7 into 2 will be 14. Eighth stick, 8 into 2 will be 16. And the ninth stick, 9 into 2 will be 18. 10th stick, 10 into 2 will be 20. So if you see the answers, 2 will be added each time. So repeated addition of 2 will give you the times table of 2. Next question they have given. Now draw sticks to make the multiplication table of 6 they have given. So multiplication of table of 6 they have given. So I have placed 6 sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sticks. So when I place the first stick, it will cross at 6 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. So 1 into 6 is 6. If I place the second stick, it will cross at 12 points. So 2 into 6 is 12. So again I have added 6. So here it is repeated addition of 6. So 6th timetable gives you the repeated addition of 6. So if you place 3, then 3 into 6 will be 18. 4 into 6 will be 24. You have to add 6 with this 18. So you will get 24. Then if you place the fifth stick, then 5 into 6 will be 30. Then 6 into 6 will be, you are adding again 6 to this 30. So you will get 36. So 7 into 6 will be 42. 8 into 6 will be 48. 9 into 6 will be 54. 10 into 6 will be 60. So if you place the 10th stick, it will cross totally at 60 points. Next example is shopping with tables. How much do these things cost? So now few questions are given. Let's go one by one. So the first question is, 4 toffees cost dash rupees. So it's given cost of each toffee is rupees 2. So 1 toffee cost rupees 2. Number of toffees is 4. So therefore cost of 4 toffees is 4 into rupees 2. That is nothing but rupees 8. So thus the 4 toffees cost rupees 8. Next is given 3 pencil boxes cost dash rupees. 10 pencil box costs dash rupees. So it's given cost of each pencil box is rupees 10. That is 1 pencil box is rupees 10 and there are 3 pencil boxes. So the cost of 3 pencil boxes, 3 into rupees 10, that is 30 rupees. And if you go for 10 pencil boxes, then cost of 1 pencil box is rupees 10 and then cost of 10 pencil boxes will be 10 into rupees 10, that will be rupees 100. So cost of 3 pencil boxes rupees 30 and cost of 10 pencil boxes rupees 100. The next example given is 9 balloons cost dash rupees. So it's given cost of 1 balloon is rupees 5. Each means 1 balloon. So number of balloons is 9. So cost of 9 balloons will be 9 into rupees 5. That will be rupees 45. So cost of 9 balloons will be rupees 45. Next 5 toys cost dash rupees. So cost of each toy is 4 rupees. Cost of 5 toys will be 5 into rupees 4, that is 20 rupees. Next is 7 face masks cost dash rupees. So it's given each face mask cost rupees 3. So that is cost of 1 face mask is rupees 3. So 7 face mask is 7 into rupees 3, that will be rupees 21. So cost of 7 face masks is rupees 21. Hope you have understood how to find the numbers without actually adding or without actually counting. That's by using multiplication. So here we have done the learning of multiplication tables also. Thank you for watching the video.